Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video, it is Monday, and tomorrow I am actually going on vacation with my boyfriend Mitch. We are going to the Dominican Republic, leaving on Tuesday morning. So this will be the video that I upload right before I go. So I thought it would be a lot of fun to come on and do kind of like a tropically vacation inspired eye tutorial. Just in honor of that, because I'm so excited for this trip. We have never been on a southern vacation together, and I myself haven't been on a vacation like this in a couple years, so this is very exciting for both of us. While I was shopping at Winners the other day looking for some more makeup to feature on my Save That Money series, I did come across this guy here. So this is from Beauty Treats. It's the Chromatic eye palette, and I saw these shades and right away it screamed vacation to me. So I had to pick this up. It was only $13. I have no idea what the quality of the shades are going to be like, so we're going to have a bit of an adventure together. But I thought that it would be a lot of fun in honor of my vacation. So if you'd like to see this video, then please keep watching. So this is what the palette looks like on the inside. It's very durable plastic. It actually feels a lot like the Morphe big palettes that they have, but it does have this kind of click button to open. Ooh, okay. So the pans are huge. On the inside, this reminds me more of the Sephora Pro palettes than Morphe, but it also has a pretty decent sized mirror and a couple of these crappy applicators that I never use. But let me just peel the plastic protector off and we'll get some swatches going. Alright, so I'm just gonna maybe go into a couple of these shades that I think are kind of cool. Maybe like a purple, this amazing teal blue. Ooh. Maybe this royal blue here. So on the fingers, these look incredible. I'm just gonna swatch these. Super pigmented, very sparkly. I honestly have high hopes for this palette. So let's get into an eye look. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing I notice is that every shade in this palette is very much metallic. I do want to make this kind of like a functional look, so I'm also going to pull up this e.l.f. Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette. I just picked this up at Walmart yesterday. It has lots of matte transition shades, so I'm going to give this a go as well. Just open this up, yeah, so this will go very well with this. Lots and lots of mattes there, so I'm going to pull a couple of these guys in and hopefully create something a little bit more cohesive. So let's zoom in further and get started. going to throw on some liquid liner and some mascara and maybe some lashes, and I will be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the final look for my tropical themed tutorial. Just like a really cool, beachy, fun, I don't know, I feel like the teal makes it a lot of fun, and the purple, so just really inspired for my trip next week. I'm gonna zoom you guys out. Yeah, so this is the final look. I think that it's a lot of fun. I think that it's really cool. I cannot wait to share this with you guys. I feel like this palette from Beauty Treats, this Chromatic Eye palette, if you can get your hands on this, this is awesome. And for $13, like, you can't go wrong. Like, I feel like this teal shade is very similar to the one in the Jaclyn Hill palette. The purples are stunning, and same thing with this e.l.f. Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette. Definitely, like, the two really complement each other. I feel like you could have infinite amounts of combinations of looks that you could make. So again, that's this one here in Summer Breeze. So I recommend both of these. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I will definitely be posting a video while I am in Dominican. I'm hoping that the internet connection works well down there. Fingers crossed. But I will be filming a video down there as well as some vlogs, and I cannot wait to share that with you guys, and I can't wait for my trip, and I'm just so excited. Like, I know it's going to be so much fun. So yeah, I will chat with you guys then, and for all of you that are here, I hope you have a great week, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!